In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make stroke layer effect in Canva. By the end, you'll know how to add a clean outline to your text and how to create a crisp stroke around images with a removed background, so your designs pop and stay easy to read. Let's start with text, because this is the quickest method. Select your text box on the canvas, so Canva knows what you want to edit. Up in the top toolbar, click Effects. From the list of options, choose Outline. Instantly, your text gets a stroke. Now fine. Tune it. Adjust the thickness slider to control how bold or subtle the outline looks. Thicker strokes are great for bold headlines. Thinner ones keep a lighter touch for subtitles. Next, pick a color that contrasts with your background so the letters stand out. If your background is dark, consider a lighter outline. If it's light, go darker. That's it for text 1, click to apply. Then 2 simple tweaks to dial in your look. If you don't see the outline option, double-check that the text box is selected and that you are in the effects panel, not color or spacing. Now let's add a stroke to an image, such as a cutout photo. First, make sure the background is removed from your image before you begin. Select the image on your canvas. In the top toolbar, click Edit Image or Edit Photo. Scroll down to the Shadows section and choose either Glow or Outline. Both can create an outline effect, but outline is the most straightforward if you have it available. Click the settings icon on that effect to open the controls. Here is how to make it look crisp. Increase the size to make the stroke thicker. Set blur to 0 to remove any fuzziness and get a sharp solid edge. Set transparency to 100 so the color is fully opaque and doesn't let the background show through. Finally, pick your color. Again, contrast is key. Choose something that clearly separates the subject from the background. If the stroke still looks soft, check that blur is truly set to 0. If the color feels weak, make sure transparency is all the way up. If it's too overpowering, reduce size slightly until it complements your layout. With these simple adjustments, you can give both text and images a polished professional outline in just a few moments. Save your design and you are ready to share. Thanks for watching.